Hey yo, what's up people? This is Dark welcomes you back to another video, and in this video we're gonna learn how to change live stream scenes automatically without opening the Stream Champ app. It is a really simple method, so I'm not gonna waste much of your time and straight gonna skip to the tutorial part. So first of all, we will need the shortcuts app to create all the commands. If you don't have this app, you can actually download it from the app store. It is absolutely free. Now just simply open the shortcuts app and tap on the automation, and again tap on the plus icon that is on the top right corner of your screen. Now choose create personal automations and you will see a bunch of options. Just scroll up and choose the apps. Now choose the apps that you use to live stream. So when you are done, just tap on the done button, and again you will see two options, is opened and is closed. Make sure the is opened option is ticked. If everything is right, just tap on the next button. So now we need to add an action, so simply tap on add action button and search for Stream Champ. Here tap on the Stream Champ and choose switch scenes. Again from here tap on this option and choose default and simply click next. Now here make sure to uncheck this ask before running option so that our automation will automatically run. When we are done, just tap on the done button, and yes, we have successfully created our first automation. The same way I'm going to create another automation with little bit of changes, and I'm going to explain everything to you with demos, so please don't skip, otherwise you'll not get it. So we are done with our second automation, and basically we just changed two settings. First one is we chose is closed option instead of is opened, and the second one is we chose BRB instead of default in scenes. So how they work? So basically when you open a app that you chose here, the first automation will run and the scene will automatically change to default so that people can see whatever is on your screen. People can hear you if your mic is on. Same way, when we close the app, the second automation will run and the scene will change to BRB. That means we'll be right back. That's it for this video. If this video helped you in any way, then please do like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.